Wel, helo bawb a croeso i'r Bryn yn Llanwnda. Good evening everybody and welcome to the Bryn in Llanwnda. I do hope you enjoy the next half an hour I have prepared for you. I hope there'll be a little variety and I will be asking a special guest, well, my daughter, to come and join me at the end of the half an hour. Dwi wir obeithio nhw'ch chi fwynhau, gobeithio bod fi wedi'i creu amrywiaeth heno yma, a fyddai'n gofyn i Catrin fy merch i ddod i ymuno fi at diwedd y cyngerdd. Mae o dipyn bach yn wahanol i mi heno, fel ydych chi'n gweld y fi sy'n eistedd wrth y piano. It's slightly different this evening because, as you can see, I'm sitting playing for myself this evening, so this is very different from what I usually do, and more important, I have to warn you, glasses. I don't usually sing in a concert with the glasses, but maybe for one of the pieces I'll have to use them. So dwi'n gobeithio ynwch chi ddod efo fi ar chydig bach o daith heno yma, a dwi am ddechrau efo can yr enw Pistill y Llan. I would like to begin with a Welsh song called Pistill y Llan. gobeithio bod chi wedi mwynhau honna. I hope you enjoyed Pisti Llanllan, where all the ladies go down to the well for a real good gossip. Dwi'n gobeithio hefyd bod chi'n clywed fi'n iawn a bod bob dim yn eich cyrraedd chi ar yr ochr yna yn iawn. Symud ymlaen rwan, I'd like to move on to one of my personal favourites. And I love the words in this song and melody. And this is called Wind Beneath My Wings. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Mae hwnna'n un o fy hoff caneuon pa ddau yn gwneud cyngerdd. That's one of my personal favourites and I hope you enjoyed that one. I have to say as well that it's very difficult. You don't usually see, a classical singer maybe sitting down. So mae pyn bach yn anodd, so maddeuwch i mi. Reit, symud ymlaen rwan. Dwi am gan i 2 gân bach i chi rwan. Eto fy hoff ffefrynnau i a rhai fyddai yn wneud mewn cyngherdda. Y gyntaf, dwi am gan i Penny Llachitsgan i chi o'r Sio Gân. Ac yna yn ei ddilyn efo'r hyfryd Ar Lan y Môr. I would now like to turn to 2 of my favourites, another personal favourite. The first one, a Welsh lullaby called Sio Gân, where I'll sing a verse and a chorus, and then I will go into Ar Lan y Môr, mae'r Rhosys Cochion. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Dwi'n gobeithio bod chi wedi mwynhau hynna. Thank you very much. I do hope you enjoyed those two lovely Welsh songs. I would now like to turn, as you might know, I was a professional singer for years to come before I started working for the Conwy Music Service and the Canolfan Gerdd William Matthias as a singing teacher. And I do enjoy my work very much, and I have best of both worlds where I am still able to sing in concerts and I'm able to teach as well, and so many wonderful young singers coming up. Dwi'n dysgu I Ganolfan Gerdd William Matthias a hefyd yn dysgu canu i'r gwasanaeth cerdd Conwy ac yn cael y pleser o ganu mewn cynghera a hefyd yn cael dysgu, a mae yna lwyth o gantorion ifanc arbennig yn dod I fyny rwan, a diolch amdanyn nhw I gario mlaen ac enw Cymru fach yn ei flaen yn y byd mawr sydd allan yn fanna. Reit, dwi am roid y sbectol on rwan. I'm going to put my glasses on now, and I would like to sing an English song for you now. This is a beautiful song by Roger Quilter, and it's called Now Sleeps the Crimson Petal. But do excuse the glasses. Reit, rwan, dwi am ganu can I chi o'r enw Now Sleeps the Crimson Petal. Can hyfryd gan y cyfansoddwr Roger Quilter. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to ask my daughter, Catrin Allo Williams, to come and join me. Dwi am ofyn i'r ferch rwan I Catrin Allo ddod yma I ganu hefo fi. Mae'n braf cael hi hefo fi I ganu. Ond ydyn ni fel arfer yn drio, mae fy mrawd Emyr Gibson yn canu hefo ni, ond oherwydd y sefyllfa, dydy o'm yn gallu bod yma hefo ni heno. I would now like to ask my daughter to come and sing. It's always a pleasure to sing with my daughter. And we usually sing as a trio. And my brother, Emyr Gibson, can't be with us this evening, of course. But we are going to sing a duet for you. But first of all, I'll introduce Catrin Allo. Diolch yn fawr iawn. And Catrin will introduce her own song.
Hello. Mae'n od siarad i gamera fel mae yna pobl yn watcha chdi o dy dydd. Dwi'n mynd i ganu can Carol Parry Jones adra. Gan bod ni adra. Os yw ser yn di ar goll ar noson ddi, tir dadre no ata i. Os yw'r storm yn codi dros yr wair lli, tir dadre no ata i. Ac os nad yw'r wawr yn dwyn golein i'r dydd, tir dadre no ata i. A heddiw byth am gadael dir yn rhydd, tir dadre no ata i. Gad i'r ddagyn dyled ei ddi, dweud farwel wrth y bobl i gyd. Gad i'r galon giro yn rhydd drachem i redeg wrth i'r poen ei gilio a rhoi nerth i ti, tir dadre no ata i. Pan ddangos i'r byd dwi fyddi di o hyd. Tir dadre no ata i. Gad i bob un golau wely dy arwain nôl ata i.
Diolch yn fawr iawn i Catrin Alaw am y llais hyfryd yma. Gyda fi hawl i ddeud oes fi dim ham hi. Bendigedig, diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much to my daughter there, beautiful singing, and I've got the right to say because she's my daughter. Wel, dwi wir yn gobeithio bod chi wedi mwynhau, gobeithio bod y sain di bod yn iawn i chi. Diolch o galon i chi am wrando. Thank you very much for listening. I do hope that you've enjoyed the half an hour that's been prepared for you. May I just say, stay safe and we'll get through this. Arhoswch yn saff i gyd, ddawn ni drwy hyn, fel maen nhw'n deud, daw eto hael ar bryn. A da ni'n di orffan heno yma hefo y geiriau calon lan fel mae Catrin Toffog wedi wneud corona ac mi oedd na galon lan ar hwnnw diwrnod o blaen a da ni am ei chanu hi heno yma ar y diwn, yr hosyn, the rose. So let's finish with calon lan. Nid wy'n gofyn bywyd moethus Diolch yn fawr iawn pawb, ac hefyd diolch i Meini a Gwydion a Seren am weithio'n galad i gael y wefan yma i gyd i chi. Thank you very much. Nos da!